Alright guys, welcome back to Hobby Farm Homestead. You can tell it's about 52 degrees out. Everything's kind of thawing out, but it's still pretty icy out there. So actually it's more treacherous now than it was when it had snow on it. But we are about to get a huge rainstorm here. They're talking like 2 inches. So there's a few things I want to get done before that rain comes in. I want to clean Petey's stall, get him out, and then get him back in before the rain, because he's got a blanket on and he'll stand out in the rain and that'll soak the blanket, and that's not good. So I want to get him out, get his stall cleaned first, and then over here in front of the barn there's a drain right there, and I want to get that stuff busted away from there so all this can go right in the drain. That drain goes in there and it goes down the middle of the barn all the way out the back door, and then there's downspout drains on the corner, and then it goes all the way out to the creek. So I want to get that opened up. I mean, it's opened up now, it's just kind of flowing underneath the ice, but I'd like for it to be able to take the surface water and get that back to the creek there. Now I'm sure our creek will flood today with all that rain, but hopefully all this ice will go with it. But let's get Petey out and get his stall done before this rain comes. Okay, we got it all cleaned up, and we got the pellet bedding in the stall. Now we use the pellet bedding versus the sawdust, the bag sawdust, because we feel that the pelleted bedding is a lot more absorbent than the sawdust. I mean, I know it doesn't kind of make sense because it's all shavings, you know, from the start, but it seems like these go a lot longer once they start absorbing and breaking down than the sawdust bags. So that's why we use those instead of the, now we do use some here and there, but most of the time we use the pelleted bedding. Alright, so what we're going to do next is try to get some of this ice broken away from our drain here. That way it doesn't back up when we get all that rain. So it's right here, it's right on the edge. It's going to start raining here pretty quick. So I'm going to leave Petey out while I do this, and hopefully I can get it all cleaned out of there without busting the top of the drain. So let's see what we can do. Well, that wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Alright, so I got the drain unclogged, so all that ice and water will go in here. And that's out of that drain, it's a 6-inch pipe that goes to the back, so it should handle Oh, I'm hoping it will. When I built this barn, I didn't really think it through too much. It's just this was the flattest area on the property for the, you know, the horse barn. But I knew I was going to have to do something with the drain of all this water coming off the property down to the creek. So I had to put this drain in. Otherwise, the water would just go right through the barn and flood the barn. So, I mean, it's always worked. We've never flooded the barn or anything like that. I know a big thing is my gutters on my garage. I haven't installed those yet. That would take care of a lot of the water, and I'd like to take that water and take it out to the road. So, but today, being with the big rainstorm coming in, we are off work, so I get today off. And so I'm going to try to get some things done today. But that's about it for this video. It was just a short little one. I'm going to go ahead and put PD inside and get inside. A lot of the work I'm going to do is inside the house. But that's about it, guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. Thanks.